Did you know that some popular supplements could actually be harming your health as you age? Today, we're diving deep into the world of supplements, especially the ones you might want to avoid after hitting 50. Now, don't get me wrong, supplements can be incredibly beneficial, but as our bodies change with age, so do our nutritional needs. Unfortunately, some supplements commonly marketed to older adults might be doing more harm than good. In this video, we'll talk about 3 specific supplements you may want to steer clear of, plus the ones you should be taking to truly support your health and longevity. So, if you're ready to get informed and empowered about what goes into your body, stick around. This information could make a significant difference in how you feel every day, from your energy levels to your overall well-being. And remember, the journey to health is about making smart, informed choices, not just following trends. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about calcium. Calcium supplements are often touted as a must-have, especially for women over 50 looking to prevent osteoporosis. But here's the shocking truth: taking calcium supplements can actually increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Yes, you heard that right. Calcium from supplements can accumulate in your arteries, creating the very health risks we're trying to avoid. The real issue lies in how our bodies process calcium. When taken as a supplement, calcium doesn't always go to your bones. Instead, it can end up in your arteries, kidneys, or even the joints, leading to calcification, where calcium builds up in places it shouldn't. And this calcification can lead to heart issues and even kidney stones. It's a classic example of too much of a good thing, and the potential side effects are simply not worth it. So, what's the solution? Get your calcium through your diet. Green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli are packed with calcium and come with the added benefits of fiber and other essential nutrients. Almonds, chia seeds, and sesame seeds are also fantastic sources. The calcium from food is absorbed more efficiently, and you don't get the same risk of it accumulating in unwanted places. Your body knows how to use calcium from food sources more effectively than from a pill, and as a bonus, you avoid the negative side effects. Remember, our goal here isn't just to protect our bones, it's about promoting whole body health. So, ditch the calcium pills and focus on a diet rich in natural sources of calcium. You'll be doing your bones, and your heart, a huge favor. Next on our list is iron. Iron is essential, but as we age, our bodies become less efficient at managing iron levels, particularly if you're no longer menstruating. What you may not realize is that our bodies don't have an efficient way to get rid of excess iron. Without an efficient elimination process, iron can start building up, creating serious issues for your liver, heart, and pancreas. Iron overload is no joke. It's linked to liver damage, heart disease, and even diabetes. Excess iron doesn't just affect these organs, it can also interfere with the absorption of other crucial minerals, like zinc and copper. Think of iron as the bully of the playground, muscling out essential nutrients that are trying to keep your body balanced and healthy. And it gets worse: iron can generate free radicals, leading to oxidative stress and cellular damage. Over time, this oxidative stress is linked to serious health risks, including cancer and cardiovascular disease. So, what should you do instead? If you're worried about iron levels, the first step is to talk to your doctor and get a blood test. If you're not iron deficient, there's no reason to add an iron supplement. For most people, a balanced diet rich in iron-containing foods like lean meats, beans, and leafy greens is sufficient. If you're getting regular checkups and eating a nutrient-dense diet, you're likely getting all the iron you need without the risks associated with supplementation. Only take iron supplements if you're genuinely deficient and under medical supervision, and remember, iron overload can be even more harmful than iron deficiency. Now let's look at the third supplement to avoid, vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential, yes, but too much can lead to a host of problems. The body stores excess vitamin A, which means taking high doses in supplement form can be risky. Unlike water-soluble vitamins, excess vitamin A doesn't just flush out of your system. Instead, it accumulates, particularly in the liver, where it can cause significant damage over time. High levels of vitamin A are linked to liver toxicity, bone loss, and an increased risk of osteoporosis. Too much vitamin A can actually weaken your bones, leading to fractures, completely counteracting its supposed benefits. It's also been linked to skin dryness, irritability, and in severe cases, can even cause confusion and mental disorientation. So, while vitamin A is important, taking it in supplement form might be overloading your system and doing more harm than good. The better approach is to rely on food sources. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens contain beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A as needed, without the risk of overdose. This way, you get the benefits of vitamin A in a safe, balanced form that your body can handle. Cod liver oil, eggs, and dairy are also good sources if you're looking for additional ways to incorporate vitamin A naturally. Stick to these foods unless you have a medically confirmed deficiency that requires supplementation. Remember, more isn't always better, especially with fat-soluble vitamins like A. So, now that we've covered the ones to avoid, let's talk about the supplements you should be embracing. First up is magnesium, a powerhouse mineral that plays a critical role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. Magnesium is essential for maintaining strong bones, reducing inflammation, regulating calcium, and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. It can even help with sleep, muscle cramps, and lowering stress. Think of magnesium as your body's maintenance crew, keeping everything running smoothly. Vitamin D3 is another must-have as we age. Without enough sunlight, our bodies struggle to produce adequate vitamin D, which is crucial for calcium absorption, bone health, and immune function. Studies suggest that D3, when combined with vitamin K2, helps direct calcium to the bones and away from soft tissues, preventing calcification in places like the arteries. Vitamin K2 is the next essential supplement. It's the perfect partner to vitamin D3, directing calcium to where it belongs and keeping it out of the arteries. Plus, K2 helps with mitochondrial energy production, giving you a boost at the cellular level. Combined, vitamin D3 and K2 are a powerful duo for bone health and overall vitality. So there you have it, the 3 supplements to avoid and the essential ones to embrace as you get older. Remember, while supplements can provide health benefits, they're not a substitute for a balanced diet and lifestyle. Always consult with your healthcare provider before adding or removing any supplements to ensure they're right for your body and your specific health needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health insights and tips. And leave a comment below to let me know which supplements you're considering or questions you might have. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and with the right knowledge, you can make empowered choices every day. Thanks for watching, and take care.